Hmm?
Yep.
I don't know if you're going to be able to concentrate.
I can concentrate fine.
He's like, I can't see it, so.
That's very pretty, Dave.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, we should get started. I don't want to hold you guys up. Dave's got to get off by 10 at the latest, and we should try to get done earlier.
Okay. Well, I
Okay.
think this should go pretty quickly.
Mhm.
All right.
So, part 1, no one has questions on. Everybody's good?
Nope.
Yep.
Wait,
No.
I'll ask only one question, and that way we'll get answers that make sense. Everyone's good with part 1?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Josh, do you want to start with part 2 then, number 1?
Sure, yeah. Okay. Let's see. All right.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was really fun. Let's meet up here again. 12 o'clock tomorrow, Dave.
Woohoo! Party on!
Okay, check the 5. Okay, you will complete order. Okay, we know that. Use the Gario crocodile data. Check the 5 assumptions for conducting a linear regression on the data. List the 5 assumptions below and explain how you check the assumptions. Well, I think I accidentally deleted what we include.
Oh, I have it on my screen, but I can't screen share from my phone. Sorry.
I have some of these graphs I can put up.
Can you see my
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yeah.
Smart, Monique.
Oh, poor Monique.
Is that the kind of chart you guys got?
These are the 2 I got. I'm screen sharing right now.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, let me check. Yep.
Well, and then did you do the 3rd chart? Did you do the QQ plot?
No, I didn't. I couldn't remember. Yeah, I was messing around with Dave. I could have done it, I guess.
Okay, so here's the QQ plot that I got of the residuals. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks almost the same as the other one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I
They
guess there's
do.
there's kind of an outlier, but okay, yeah. So they all match the requirements, is what I got from these charts.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Yeah. And remember on the QQ plot, you have to go to analyze descriptive data and check mark that unstandardized, in those 2 spots on that options. Remember that part? So remember you have to do that before, so you get that those extra columns in the data before you run the QQ plot.
Reviewing that, I kind of forgot. So you do descriptive statistics to do that one?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let me go see. I'll show you what I'm doing here.
Yeah, to do the QQ plot, yeah, you got to go to the descriptive.
Oh yeah, right here.
And I can.
You go to explore, and then you put in that top box. You put the unstandardized.
Unstandardized.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah.
You go to.
Gotcha.
Oh, sorry, not that one. Where's the one that you put? Check those 2 boxes. Oh, that's a different thing, isn't it? I still obviously I have me a little bit confused still. So anyway, the other, I think it's the residual one where this one that I was going to go to first, analyze regression.
Yeah.
Okay, that one, see that you put that same column residual independent, and then when you go to statistics, go to plots. No, sorry, not that one. Oh, save. It's when you go to save, then you click unstandardized right there and unstandardized right there.
Right.
You guys even see that?
Can't help it anymore.
What?
I'm sorry.
I just see what look like feet. Sorry, I need to stop. We need to keep going. I keep seeing new ones, and they're cool. That's what they look like.
Hey, Kenny Rogers.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, we're done. Sorry.
It's the semester.
I am officially done. I'm done. Okay, I'm sorry.
Go talk to your dad.
Okay,
I've heard
thanks
something
for showing me that. That was
for you.
helpful.
That was helpful.
I
Thank
did
you.
forget how to do that, so.
Okay.
Okay. So do you want me to do? What are we on? 2?
Uh-huh.
2A.
Yeah. Why don't
Okay.
you just all of 2? There's not very much there.
All right.
Okay,
So
just B. A and B.
A and B? Okay, so state the null and alternative hypothesis. B1 equals 0, B1, the alternative, sorry. The null equals 0, the alternative is different from 0, and the alpha is 0.05, which they kind of just gave to you. You realize that?
Yeah.
That was so nice of them.
That was kind of a really easy one. Okay. Brian, did you do this individual prep beforehand?
No, I've been in the car for like 7, 8 hours.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and do C. Or do you want to do it, Monique?
Sure. So if you have this chart from SPSS,
Yeah, I'm pulling up everything. I'll be able to follow along pretty well because I did look at it before. I just haven't gone through all the prep work.
so if you on this chart, it shows that the p value right here is 22.675.
Mhm.
You probably can't see that when I'm showing my phone there, but
I've got it up, Monique.
I'm looking at Mindy's.
okay. So anyway, it is. I got the p value of 22.75.
Okay.
So Brian, you can do D.
The-
Look at Mindy's chart.
Are we in the group quiz or the prep work?
The prep work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, we're not very far along
Okay, no problem.
at technical school, so
Yeah, I heard somebody had to reset their password.
yeah, that was me. And it didn't work, so I'm on my phone actually.
Oh, nice. Sorry, it's coming up right now.
Let's just look at Mindy's chart that she has.
Oh, okay. Well, I see. She has the whole thing up.
So find
Um,
the value and then
Based on the p-value, do you reject or fail to reject the null? So we reject the null because the p-value is all zeros.
Less than the significance, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
go.
Thanks for your help, Mindy.
Mm-hmm.
Want to do the E,
Sorry, did you say me, Josh?
Mindy?
Oh, me.
Yeah, it's state your conclusion. So because we reject the null, we say that we have sufficient evidence to say that there is a linear relationship between the head length and the body length of the gharial crocodiles.
Cool. Yeah. All right. So we're back to Josh, the last one.
Yeah, the confidence interval just end up being 6.704, 8.096.
That's what I got.
Yep, that's what I have.
Okay.
Great.
Cool. So, and that's what the answer sheet said too.
You don't like it.
Well, then we can log into our group quiz.
It's 14 questions.
Let's see. Does it say we have to be logged into anything in SPSS4? Doesn't tell us to go to SPSS, does it?
Yeah, I already have it up.
You do?
Okay. We'll just find out.
If you want me to kick him out, let me know.
Wait, who's getting kicked out?
Oh, sorry. My cat is
about
being
you.
a punk, so
One
Oh.
sec, I'm getting there.
telling my wife if I need to kick him out, I will.
Oh, gotcha. I thought we were kicking someone out of the group.
Yeah, Josh, if you put another mustache on me, I'm kicking you out.
I can't do it, you know? I'd put them on you. I'd put them on myself.
They stick to Josh better. He's got Viking stuff going.
Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know. It won't let me sabotage Dave. I wish I could.
I think it might be the camera.
Oh, wait a second. No. No, never mind. I wanted to see if it would let me do it on Mindy, but it didn't let me.
Come give me.
Okay, I'm just not gonna. Features, I gotta get rid of it. I'm so tempted to just keep doing it, but I'm not. Yeah. Anyway, we can keep going. Sorry.
Well, once you start, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on there. It's cool.
Gold with beard you had. That was cool.
We stay on here another hour after we're done.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like
is
the
there,
pirate hat. There you go.
Dave, you do. I'm missing
Where do you get these?
in the Google effects.
Oh.
is everybody on the quiz?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Let's.
So who are we starting off with? Who's doing 3?
I love how you specify 2 and 3.
Who's after Josh? Didn't Josh do number 3?
Yeah, Josh did do number 3.
Well, yeah, but that was an individual prep. So I think now we're at Dave, which I mean number 3 in the quiz.
Oh, in the quiz? Yeah, I can do number 3.
I'm giving number 1 and 2. I'm sorry, you don't get off that easy, Mr. Pink Nose.
What?
Alright, I'm quitting. Josh, see what you started.
I'm just kidding.
I want to know what.
I
what
know.
is
I know.
Okay, alright. So number 3
Yeah.
is the third one down. The null is equal, and then the alternative is not equal to 0.
Yep.
being 2. All right. So we're at me, I think, right?
Yep.
So is the second one, right?
For number 3 or 4?
Number 3.
Me is the third one.
Third one. Okay, equal and then not equal. Okay.
Said that's the standard set of hypotheses for linear regression
Gotcha.
equations. Okay, a residual is what is left over after doing simple linear regression. Is the difference between
No.
You keep cutting out, Monique, a little bit.
this coming out.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna just say that I think it's the second one.
Is there value Y in the value of regression? Then?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Which one? Because
4.
residuals are all positive? Oh, wait. Oh, you're on 4. Sorry. The second
4.
one is the difference?
Yeah, because I think that's what he was explaining on that graph. He showed how different where the dot is to the line. That was
Yeah.
those where that residual, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wrote it down. It's the observed Y minus the predicted Y. So yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
now we're at Brian.
3 was 2 and 4 is 2, right?
Yep.
3 was 3,
Yeah, 3 was
whoops,
3.
Yeah, sorry, thank you. Yeah.
and
Okay,
4 is 2.
We'll go back over all of them when we get to the end too, and make sure. Okay, 5 is Brian.
So, a plot of residuals supports using linear regression when is it residuals are Is it the last one?
Well, I think so because
Yep,
The re-
that's what I got.
Wait a minute.
the residuals are supposed to be normally distributed, but I don't remember it talking about a zero mean.
You know
I
what?
didn't
Yeah, but the other three are all false, so because they're not supposed to have a pattern. So I would go with 4.
Yep. That was the way
Yeah, I
I
think
did
so.
it too, Mindy. The other 3 didn't make sense to me.
Why do I always get the ones I have to pull?
Hey, it's just like when I had to do all those questions, you know, that I
Wow.
never got. See?
Okay, give
So,
me just a minute.
Are the
Oh,
residuals always positive? I'm just wondering about that one. Are they always positive? Because if they're following a line, like it could be negative if they're below that line, right? They would be a
The
negative.
line, I think so. That's what I've interpreted from it.
I just don't
I'm not
remember
sure.
that.
where are you?
Well, I don't know.
Let me pull up my notes.
Well, I don't know. If you look in the textbook, it shows under 3.3 the residual plot, and it shows the following image shows the residual plot for the Astarian crocodile data, and it looks to me like some of those are negative.
Oh yeah, look at that line has a 0 right there. So yeah, that helps us know. So the residuals can be negative.
Oh, yeah.
I was trying to think of, like, the one that we have was just that angle line, you know, our individual. And I'm like, how do they know
Yeah.
they're negative? Where's the line? Where's positive? Negative? You know, because on that graph, that quadrant is all positive on an XY graph. So that's what I was like, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, so that makes sense.
Use the confidence data as an explanatory variable.
So is this a regression? Is that what we're going to? That's what I was
So-
trying to figure out.
Well, 5 we're thinking the last one. So number 6.
So, number 5, we're still sticking with the last one, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay, I got it right.
Good job, Brian.
I gotta pull up this thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it says it's normally distributed, and that's the only one that, and it says they're independent.
Okay. Confidence data.
Mindy, do you have it up?
I'm working on it.
I have mine done, but I don't know where the QQ plot is.
You have to do that. You have to set up those residuals first before you do the Q plot.
Yeah, I did
that's right.
that. But I swear they showed you where the QQ plot was within the analyze regression linear. It's in that part, right?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking at this chart. Say that again.
To get the QQ plot, don't you have to go into analyze regression linear, and it's in that box when you're setting it all up?
No, you got to go to explore. Isn't that what you guys were saying?
Is that explore?
In the analyze descriptive statistics.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Hello. It's been a while. Okay, there it is.
But I gotta get those other things first. The unstandardized. You gotta do that first.
Oh, why is mine all screwy?
So the dependent variable is the score. Independent variable was confidence.
Can somebody go through this on SPSS just to on group share? Just to
I
make sure.
can't show you my screen, unfortunately.
I will try, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little slow, so be patient with me.
Oh, that's fine. I just feel like
That's perfect.
Can you see that? So
It's kind
everybody.
of hard. If Mindy can get hers going, then it'd be easier. Yeah, she's got it.
Okay,
Mind.
so you go to analyze, regression, linear,
Yep.
and then your confidence interval is going to go in your independent, and your score
Yeah.
go here.
And then click save, and then
You
go.
go to statistics and hit confidence interval.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
do that.
Either
And then
which way
save.
first.
Plot. Oh, sorry, not plot.
I always end
Save.
up.
Save.
Go to
You're gonna
save.
get standardized and unstandardized here.
That's it, right?
Yep.
Okay,
Do I
so
need to
got
hit
that.
under statistics? Do I hit descriptives as
Yeah,
well?
he showed that in the video. Wait, no.
Yes, you do the part and partial correlation.
Yeah, he shows that. Yeah.
Okay, that's what it was. Okay, I'm like, I think I'm missing one.
What
Okay.
does that do? Does that change much when you do that? I don't
Okay.
understand what that box did, but
Well, so that box makes it so now you go back to this data set, and when you go over, you have these two new columns right here.
I'll show you if it comes up.
It says
Oh,
pre-1.
sorry, I'm doing the wrong one.
yeah, I think those come up either way though. You don't
Right here.
click
There
that box
they
and
are.
still show up.
But the other ones I think are for the partial correlations are right here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what it does. It's,
And this is actually your R numbers. This and this right here correlate.
Wait,
Yeah.
point again. I'm trying to get it bigger on my screen, my little phone.
And so,
okay, thank you, Minnie. So now what do we do for the residuals? Because that's where I screwed up.
the
Like you asked on the question.
Then you go to the graphs.
oh,
Legacy.
Oh wait, maybe that's what I did. I tried to do descriptive statistics after. With
Sorry.
the
And then down to scatter dot.
Not that. Sorry. You have to analyze, descriptive, explorer,
I did that and it didn't work.
and then you put that dependent thing in. But this time you're putting the residuals up in that dependent list.
it's this
Yep,
one right
both of
here. Just,
And
Just
then,
the one?
yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay.
why. Okay.
Then-
That's what I did wrong.
Is that
Then
what
go
you did, Dave?
options.
Now it works.
You
Okay.
go to options.
Yeah,
go to-
okay. I put the dependent variable as well. Or the independent, and it didn't work.
No, you don't need to do that.
Then go to plots and put the normality test.
Okay, thank
Hold
you.
on, this is not right. Go to,
Or just unstandardized. That's right. I remember in the video now. And then plots, normality test.
Can you see that?
No, your screen's empty right now too, Monique.
is it just, no, I think I was supposed to add something else in there, Dave.
There is something you're missing. Is
Go to
Are you
analyze, descriptive, explore.
or yeah.
I swear that's all you did. What you doing?
You put the
Oh, no, that's right.
No, it is
Yeah,
right.
that's
It is.
That is
Yeah,
right.
that's right.
now just scroll down and then until you get to the graph.
Usually
Okay,
takes a second to load that as well.
Wendy, do you still need to build the graph? I don't think you had done that yet.
Well, it should have come up
Yeah,
with
okay.
this.
Here we
Here
go.
it is. Yep,
Cool,
I
okay,
did get
thank
that. I did get that. Sweet, I did it right.
That's what mine looks like. That's right.
Yeah, mine looks like that too.
So we can say that they form a linear pattern, can't we?
Yep, we can.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay, let me jump back over there. Okay, woohoo!
So the rigid, yep, so 6 would be the last one. The residuals form a linear pattern.
Yeah.
Isn't it the same question as 7 though too?
No, because the QQ,
Never
well,
mind. They're different.
hmm,
You know what, guys? Let's look at number 6 again. When we look at residuals, they always described it as being normally distributed. They didn't say they formed a linear, and these residuals are between about -40 and about 25.
That is true. I did notice that.
Do You can't say they're
So-
linear?
They always use the description, they are normally distributed.
Okay. So how do you know
I
they're
think
between?
you're right, Monique.
So I think that's a tricky question.
I agree.
I think we only talk about the data being normally distributed, not the residuals.
How do you know they're in between -40 and 25 or whatever?
At the bottom of the chart, on the left is negative 40.
I'll show you. I'll screen share it real quick.
Still have it up, Mindy? Yeah, that'd be cool.
So right here,
You're just looking at that. Oh, I
negative 40 and about 25.
Okay, gotcha.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep,
All right,
that is
right.
true.
I'm glad you said that.
I
Mindy.
agree with that.
Not a linear pattern, but they're in between. Okay. But then, okay, yeah.
But then 7 would be the
That means
residuals
that-
are fairly normal.
Yeah,
Normal.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're back to Josh, I think.
Yeah, on 8.
So I guess we
On
just did
8?
7.
On 8, yeah. Okay, now we need to make a scatter plot.
That's pretty easy.
Oh, and then we have to say which things apply. Okay.
Well, okay, making the scatter plot, do we do the unstandardized residuals in the y?
Yes, we do.
And then this time you do put the x-axis with the score, and that's all, right? Okay, so I see that it is hot dog shape.
Hot dogs.
Yeah. So let's see. That would not
Can
make the normally.
I see your screen so I can see if it looks like mine?
Yeah, that would be.
Because I can't. It's hard on
There
this.
we go.
Yeah, I want. Does someone else have it up?
And down. Yep. Yours is hot dog shape too.
Yeah, that
Mindy.
just.
Yep. That's what I got.
This is what you got?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
the same.
Nope. Okay. So what do we get from this?
Okay, so we're saying there's a linear relationship.
Well,
That's
there shouldn't be, right? I thought
Yeah,
they had
with
to be
X and
scattered.
Y. Yeah.
Not a linear.
so now we have the top two checked. Now we need to do the variance.
Wait, I thought it didn't have a linear relationship when they formed a pattern.
It's a hot dog shape, so it's not. It's a linear shape.
Yes.
A pattern would be like.
You'd say it's moderate strength because it's not really close to the line.
I just thought with the rolls it was saying it needed to be like scattered for it to be. I'm trying to remember.
Oh, here, let me go
You
back.
know what I'm saying? There's the rules that say like, I thought it had to be like random for it to be. I don't remember what those requirements are for. I guess.
It's scattered.
Well, the scatter plot, it says it should look like a hot dog shape, but the residual plot says that there should be no pattern on it. So it's
Okay, that's what I'm
different
thinking
depending on the graph.
It's the residual one that can't be. Okay, so that's right. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, you're right. It's just the residual.
So the first two are already checked.
And then the constant variance, that one, that's the residual plot as well, and that's whether or not it makes a megaphone,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right.
which I think.
So we did the residual plot and we did the scatter plot. Now we need to do the QQ plot, or we did the QQ plot first. So that tells us the variance.
Yeah.
So we just have to do now the scatter plot that tells us the no, we did the scatter plot. Sorry, we just need to do the residual plot, and if it looks all scattered, no pattern, then we know.
Yeah.
that. Okay, so we just have to do that. Just regular. Wait, did we do that one on Graphs Legacy Dialogues?
Yeah.
Yes,
It's the
it
same,
is.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm confused because
Oh.
it looks just the same. Did I do that right?
That's the one where we only put the Y and not the X? Do you remember? I don't know if you guys can hear
The
me.
graphs you always put
Yeah.
I can hear you. We can hear you.
Place the unstandardized residuals in the y-axis.
and the score in the
Just
x-axis.
for the,
And you leave the x variable.
You leave it blank for the graph?
No. You leave the whatever one was supposed to be in there.
Okay, we're good then.
So this is what I got.
Oh, never mind. I did something screwy. Okay.
yeah,
Huh.
I didn't do mine right. Okay, let's
Yeah.
keep through this again.
Okay, so this is what I did. So I went to graphs, legacy, and then scatter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay on this. And then up in the y-axis, you're supposed to place this unstandardized residual. And then your x-axis is your explanatory variable, which is I believe is the confidence rating.
Oh, that's why. Okay, whoops.
And then you can click OK.
I accidentally put that there. Yeah, I got the same thing as you.
Okay.
That
I
makes sense.
thought I was thinking that we didn't have the residual column made yet when we did the scatter plots, so that's why. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Which
Was I screen sharing?
No, I was gonna just tell you because I just come back on. I was looking at something and I'm seeing you.
Oh, do you want me to screen share it?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Sorry, I thought I did. Apparently I missed something there. So this is what I got.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Let's see if I got that. Hold on.
I don't know, for some reason I can't see it, but that's all right.
I'll be snookered. That's what I got.
Do you want me to go through it again?
Yeah, would you?
So I went to, graphs,
Okay.
legacy dialog, scatter dot, simple, define. So right here is the unstandardized residual,
Yeah.
and then this is the confidence rating,
Okay.
and then you just click OK.
And that's what you get. Nice.
So which one do we need this for? Looking at 8, what does that prove? This is the scatter plot.
The scatter.
Yes.
We needed the Q plot for variance.
The scatter plot is for the hot dog shape. That's for the linear. The residual plot with pattern is.
And they're random, so we already proved that, didn't we?
Those both go with the linear relationship. The QQ plot goes. Oh, the residual plot. Oh, his chart. Oh, his slide has a mistake on it. The residual.
No, I have the.
The residual
there's.
Constants variance.
The residual plot you use for the linear relationship as well as the constant variance. That's what I have.
Okay, well, his chart just has, his chart has both of them. Or has the residual plot for both of those, yeah.
Yeah. So the residual plot, what you're looking for, if you're using the residual plot to determine the linear relationship, you're looking at making sure that it has no pattern. And when you use it to determine the constant variance, you're looking at making sure that it doesn't have a megaphone shape.
Right.
So
that's on this.
I love
So
it.
the third one we can check.
Yeah, we can.
And quite honestly, I don't know how we're ever supposed to answer the last two since they say they cannot be checked directly.
Those ones you have to just assume that the data is exact. If we look at the data that's in here, the scores and the confidence rating seems pretty specific to me. And I know at the beginning of the class, this whole semester, they said we would assume that all of the data was taken from simple random samples, SRS. So I feel like we should go ahead and check those two.
So have all 5 checked?
Yeah.
All
Well,
five?
wait. No, only the first 3 because it says given the scatter plot, residuals, and
Yeah.
QQ, which of the 5, and those only tell the first 3, yeah. The other 2 are separate.
Yeah.
Yes. First 2. We can assume those other 2, but not check them by those plots.
We're doing the top 3 and not the bottom 2. Is that what?
That is correct.
Yeah.
I hate how it always makes that noise.
Okay, so are we on 9?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Who's doing 9?
I don't know whose turn it is.
Oh, you know what? I think, hold on real quick. I think we lost Monique.
That
Oh, yeah.
explains it.
That's why there was silence.
All right, Dave, back to the drawing board.
See, I'm
No!
number 10.
Okay. Do you just go to the linear regression to get the B1?
Hear me?
Is that how you do
Yeah,
it? Just
what?
put the
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can hear you.
Okay, sorry, my phone, I guess it just hung up on. Okay,
So
so
we're on.
did you guys
So we're looking at B1.
do that? Slope.
Which is the slope, which can't we just use,
It's the bottom number.
Yeah.
can't we just use this? Isn't this what it is, or am I not looking at the right thing?
12.6.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering too.
Yep, that is.
That's what I got.
was typing in. 12.695.
Yeah.
And the confidence interval
Oh, I didn't set it to do that.
Where did it
10.6.
go?
It's the first one.
Where's my confidence? Did I not do it?
Yeah, how do you get the confidence interval?
You have to add it in. Mindy added it in. Mindy, didn't you have that added in?
I-
You put in
Oh,
the
it's in stitches.
I did.
Yeah,
let me
okay.
let me share it.
Pops up when you did the analyze descriptive statistics.
Yeah, I remember you adding it in.
It's in that same chart as the 12.69.
So,
There's-
but I don't.
0.67.
It's
I got a different answer.
14.7.
But it doesn't match what they have.
No, it doesn't. I mean, there's one that's close, I guess.
It's
I know.
the 10.708 and the 14.742, the top one.
Yeah.
That's the closest one.
I think they might have made a mistake and put the Excel data in there.
Yeah.
I mean,
On the homework sheet that we did, the Excel numbers that they had were slightly higher than the SPSS numbers. And these are slightly
Yeah.
so I'm guessing that's what they did.
Yeah.
So do you guys think we should just go for that top one? Because
I
that's
think
the one.
so because we've done that before, and with that being that close, we were right.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, it's the only thing that makes sense because we have the right thing on our chart.
Well, yeah, everything else is pretty far off.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can tell it's trying to trick you with C because it has the same numbers but flipped them. So I'm pretty sure it's right.
Yeah.
So based on the evidence and using the level of significance, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis? So
We reject the null.
it's close to 0.
Yep.
So the second one?
There's
Yeah,
insufficient evidence.
Yeah, I agree.
Yep. Regression line is 0.
No. Is reject the null because the p-value is less than alpha.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I was reading 12. My bad.
Oh. So then
Yeah.
you say that
Yeah, I don't know this one.
we have sufficient, if we reject the null, then we say that we have sufficient evidence
Yep.
to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not
0.
0.
It's 0, right?
So the third one down,
It's not.
Yep.
Okay.
because
I think I
the
have this.
confidence
I think
interval, let me share this real quick. Because
There's no
this confidence interval, 0 does not fall between it.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
so you know that it's not 0.
Yep, that's true.
And I think a logical way to
Okay.
understand that too is that if you have a slope of 0, then no matter what x you put in, you get a y of the same y-intercept. And that doesn't match up with the whole hypothesis thing that for every x you get a different y. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If you have a 0, then every y is going to be the same, no matter what x you put in. You're going to have a horizontal line. Does that make sense?
Everybody keeps cutting out. I can't even understand the explanation. But yeah, I think I understand.
Okay. So we have one. Let's go to 13.
It's the body length.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Because that's the one that we're predicting, right?
That is correct.
Yep. Because the head length is the given, and it predicts the body length. Okay, so 14, we have a 90% confidence interval, and they give it to us. Since this confidence interval is 7.124 at 8.31, what can you say about B1, which is the slope?
It's the top one.
It is the top one because what Mindy just said make the most sense, so it would be the top one.
Yeah.
Can we go
Well,
through all
and you're
the
doing the confidence intervals, so the bottom one has to do with the hypothesis, and you never use a 99% chance of anything, so.
Yeah, you don't say there's a chance.
Yeah.
Okay, the top one. Okay, let's go back from number 3 and make sure everybody has these.
Okay.
So number 3 was the third one. Number 4 was the second.
Yeah.
Yep.
5 was the fourth one.
Yep.
6 was the first one.
Yep.
7 was the third one.
Yep.
8 was the top 3.
Yep.
12.695.
Yep.
Yeah.
10 was the top one.
Yep.
Yep.
11 was the second one.
Yep.
12 was the third.
Yep.
13 was the second one.
Can you repeat
Yep.
12 again?
Number 12.
Cut out.
12 was the third one.
Okay.
She said third, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
E.
Would you go away?
13 is the second one.
Yeah.
14 is the first one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Wow. Awesome.
Woo!
Yay. Awesome, guys. We did a good job catching a lot of things. Okay, so we the make inference and take action document that Dave and I put together for a draft. Over and get back to it tomorrow. We'll make sure changes are done. Give us feedback. We'll make all those changes so we can have it ready for when we meet Thursday.
Okay.
We
Oh
want to
wait,
meet
you're telling me.
to review.